Heavy machinery has played a pivotal role in the construction, mining, and agriculture industries for decades. These powerful machines are designed to make tough jobs easier, and their capabilities continue to evolve with technological advancements. In this video, we will explore 5 exceptional heavy machines that are truly at another level in terms of performance and satisfaction. So let's dive into the video. Hitachi Crawler Excavator. The Hitachi Crawler Excavator is a masterpiece of engineering, renowned for its reliability and efficiency. It boasts a powerful engine that can tackle even the most challenging excavation tasks with ease. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems, it offers precise control and responsiveness, making it a go-to-choose for intricate digging and lifting operations. The spacious and ergonomic operator's cabin provides comfort and visibility. JCB Telehandler. The JCB Telehandler is a versatile heavy machine that stands out for its adaptability and multitasking capabilities. It features a telescopic boom that can extend and lift loads to impressive heights, making it an invaluable asset in the construction and agricultural industries. It comes equipped with various attachments such as buckets, forks, and hooks, allowing them to handle materials like never before. Their precise controls and stability make them ideal for working. Liebherr A311. The Liebherr A311 is a compact yet powerful wheel excavator designed for urban construction projects. Despite its relatively smaller size, it doesn't compromise on performance. Its innovative design includes a versatile adjustable undercarriage, which provides stability on various terrains. Its cabin is well equipped with modern technology and ergonomic features, ensuring the operator's comfort and productivity. This machine is known for its fuel efficiency, low emissions, and low noise levels. Liebherr A900. The Liebherr A900 is a wheel loader that combines power and precision to handle heavy materials efficiently. Its robust design includes a high lift linkage for maximum reach and load capacity. This machine is equipped with a fuel-efficient engine and advanced control systems, reducing operational costs and emissions. The operator's cabin in the Liebherr A900 offers an excellent field of vision and comfort, promoting long working hours without fatigue. Caterpillar Crawler Excavator. The Caterpillar Crawler Excavator, often simply called CAT, is an iconic heavy machine known for its ruggedness and reliability. Caterpillar has a rich history in the heavy machinery industry, and their excavators are no exception. These machines are available in various sizes from compact to colossal, and are renowned for their power, stability, and durability. Caterpillar Crawler excavators excel in digging, trenching, and material handling, and they offer precise control and efficiency, even in challenging conditions. So this was today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Super Bulldozer. ACCO Super Bulldozer was constructed in Portogruaro in northern Italy by the Umberto Eco Company in order to be exported to Libya in the early 1980s. Due to the trade embargo restrictions imposed by the United States of America in 1986 on that country, ACCO Super Dozer was never shipped to its destination and was put into storage. The blade is bigger than anything Caterpillar has ever made. It is 7 meter wide and 2.7 meter high. Number 2. Komatsu D575A3SD. The second biggest dozer in the world is called Super Dozer for a very good reason. It has an operating weight of 152.6, and on top of that, it is powered by an engine that delivers no less than 858 kilowatts. The largest dozer and the most productive ever made by Komatsu was first introduced in a prototype form at Conexpo 1981 and was released as a production Dash 2 model in 1991. It was officially launched in 2002. Number 3. Caterpillar D11 TCD. Number 3 on our ranking is not just one of the biggest bulldozers in the world, but also the largest Caterpillar dozer ever built. What makes it so great is the durability built-in factor that helped this machine pass both the test of the most demanding applications and the test of time. According to the American manufacturer, it moves more for less and has all that it takes to do that. An operating weight of 112.72 tons, a powerful engine of 695 kilowatt, and a strong blade made by high tensile strength steel, featured with a box section. One of the greatest features of the biggest cat dozer is the mainframe, purpose-built to absorb high-impact shock loads. Number 4. Komatsu D475A8. The D475A8 is the second biggest dozer model from the Japanese producer included in our ranking, which makes Komatsu one of the most important manufacturers of big bulldozers globally. The D475A8 was launched in 2020 as the successor of the Dash 5 model, with an operating weight of over 112 tons and an engine power of 777 kilowatts that delivers excellent productivity. Komatsu D475A8 might not be as strong as its bigger brother Komatsu D575A3. The total length of 11.3 meter and blade capacity also helps this large Komatsu dozer to offer great technical performance in mining, heavy-duty, and large-scale civil works. Number 5. Shantui SD90C5. The bulldozer SD90C5, manufactured by China's Shantui, is the largest mining dozer, ranking 5th in our list. Weighing over 106 tons and powered by a 708 kilowatt Cummins QST30 engine, it excels. The operator's cabin prioritizes ergonomics, visibility, and noise reduction. It offers a choice of semi-U or U-blade attachments, with the former achieving 1010 millimeters digging depth and the latter providing 1670 millimeters. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.